In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down menu in Squarespace. This video will guide you through the straightforward process of setting up a drop-down menu, which can significantly enhance the navigational experience on your website. Whether you're creating a personal blog or managing a business site, organizing your content with drop-down menus will make it easier for your visitors to find what they need. First, you'll need to navigate to your Squarespace homepage. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're on your home page, you're going to look towards the left side of your screen where you'll see a menu panel. In this panel, select Pages. Clicking here will bring you to an overview of your current site structure, showcasing all the active pages currently available on your site. Next, to add an entirely new element, we want to focus on the plus button. It's a universal sign for adding content. You'll find this small but powerful icon in the upper corner of your Pages section. By clicking it, a new dialog box appears, presenting you with several page types to choose from. Among the options provided, you'll see one labeled Dropdown. Click on this to start creating your drop-down menu. Now that you've chosen to add a drop-down menu, it's time to give it a name. This is important because the name will appear in your site's navigation bar and help visitors understand what type of content they can expect from it. So, think carefully about how you want to label this part of your site. The more intuitive and clear it is, the better your user experience will be. With your drop-down menu named, you're ready to populate it with content. This part involves dragging and dropping the individual pages that you want to include under this menu. Click, hold, and drag a page from the existing list of pages over to your new drop-down menu. This action places that page as a sub-page under the newly created menu. It's a simple yet effective way to organize your content hierarchy. Finally, let's talk about adding new pages. With your drop-down menu in place, you might want to introduce fresh content directly within this navigation structure sometime. To do this, simply click on ADD Page within your drop-down section. This option allows you to further enhance the functionality of your drop-down by housing newly created content or features directly within it. Now you have a fully functional drop-down menu on your Squarespace site, making it easier for visitors to access the information that's most relevant to them. This setup not only streamlines navigation, but also gives your site a more professional, polished look. Thanks for watching and happy website building.